Page 366, Sneaky Business. It's a fun little piece by Mier. I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name. She has written a number of books. I've covered some of her jazz books. I've got playlists on those, lessons on those. She's a very talented lady, composer. I recommend it. If you're looking for some fun music to play, interesting music to play, get her books. She's really nice. I recommend her. So let's look this over. It's 2 pages long, more or less. Treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature, so we're either in C major or A minor, and it ends here on I guess we're in A minor. Do the scales and arpeggios for both those, C major and A minor, and you already know that drill, blah, blah, blah. You really probably should be doing these 4 octaves up and down by now. Do it as I explained in the video. In the C major scale and arpeggio videos, do it that way. The pattern, the 4 octaves up and down, the pattern, contrary, parallel motion, the whole nonsense. Okay. 4/4 time signature, 1 hand at a time. Again, fingering may be good. We'll find out. 1, 2. See, those are all tied once you play them, and then come up. 1. And then come back down. Do it again. And then up. Let's look at that. Measure 9. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. Right? So, and then you hear. I don't want to go from here to here. From measure 9 to 10. You can get all those notes in one hand position. So that's what I'm going to do. The last note, the last beat in measure 10, I'm going to do that. That way I can go here. So again, measure 9, 1 and 2. Here. And now come down. That's the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 4, 1 and up here. Now, let's talk about that. The staccatos let you get away with it, but I want to connect everything right now. The 4, and it is possible to reach over when you have a black key and do that. Sometimes you may need to. Not so easy with a white key, but with a black key, it's doable. I mean, these fingers can crawl. And there was a time back in the 1700s and before, they didn't use the thumbs. You had to do all this with the fingers. And just that, look. And then they figured out, hey, we got thumbs, cool. And then we use thumbs now. But just still, I'd rather not do that if I can help it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use second finger on the third beat. Now I'm in position. So I did all that just fine. So, and then for the half note, use thumb. That way you're in position to go on, because I'll need third finger up here. And then measure 17, cross over 2. Then you go back like you were at the beginning. Okay. Measure 25. 1 and 2. 1. You don't want to be up in here, then you got to do that. And again, I'm going to use 1/4 for the last measure. Thumb's doing both, but here. Yeah. Left hand, let's march into the beat. Fun. Measure 5, 4 to put us in position. And remember, those sharps in measure 6 are only good for that measure. You know, she did not give us, or whoever did the book, did not give us natural signs, and that's okay. You shouldn't rely on that. Just follow the rule. The accidental is good for that measure. That's it. Okay. Measure 11. Come up here. Now, when I get this pattern for measure 11 and 12 back and forth, I don't want to use thumb on both. There's no need for that. So on measure 11, rather than here, I'm going to go 3-1. Here. So just lift up. So I can go 5-2. And I'm going back and forth. I find that so much easier. And then for measure 17, then we're back to... It's almost like a run a scale if it's multiple notes. Here. Now you do. Put the hands together, starting measure 3. It's here. Measure 6. Lift up and come down. Do that. Okay. So you put the hands together. I'll pretend you're doing that, okay? And then get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations. And we'll pretend you've done that, okay? Then we add the articulation. I'm flexing at the wrist, staccato, short. Some of my dampers aren't working right. It should be short. You can't get really short when you're down here, because pianos just don't, acoustic pianos won't do that. You can up here, short, but not so much down here. Play them short though. And then this is connected. So we add the articulation. Then the dynamics. Mezzo piano, sort of soft, but when the right hand comes in, it's sort of soft. So the left hand's got to go down. So I'm, see, this is suddenly really soft. About to moderately loud here. This is a little louder, but not quiet. Back, go down again. See, we have a problem on piano, you may have noticed it, that once you push a note down, you can't crescendo. All you can do is diminuendo. A lot of times we can fake a crescendo, like in measure 8, here. We want to pretend it's getting louder, we do it with the other hand. That gives the illusion maybe the other hand's getting louder too. Not really, but okay. And that's sort of what we're doing here on measure 8, because you're sort of soft. You're going to go up a little bit. Moderately loud. And back down, measure 11. Accent notes are a little louder. But that moderately soft to measure 11 is for the right hand. Accent. The left hand is to be under that. Measure 15, you go up a little bit, come down. You go up and you come down, and it ends loud at the end. I don't know that you need accents with loud, but let's talk about the last 2 measures. Where loud, accent and staccato makes them very loud here. And as I play the staccato, I come up. Boom. So that staccato's by itself. The pedal, the last measure, you can do that if you want, because it's ending really loud and exciting. As if you do choose to pedal it, push the pedal down with the note, because it's accented and it's loud. We want the explosion. And then lift the pedal up with the staccato here. Here. And boom on that. Don't pound on it. Just you're here and you go boom, up, here. Boom. Here. It's just heavy and fast at the end. It goes down fast. So the dynamics really will be a little bit different for different people. The speed, well, that'll be different for different people too. Yeah, I'd keep it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's fine. Maybe a little faster, yeah. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, just notes and rhythms and staccatos and that stuff. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.